Hey, so what's going on, guys? Brian here, Brian's Lawn Maintenance. Check out this little John Deere little skid steer. How cool is that? Getting some different toys for Emmy along the way, and you know what? We've got some cute things like this, a truck, and an X-Mark zero-turn lawnmower. How funny is that? Hey, really quick, reason for the video today, wanted to talk to you guys about a new partnership that we have here with GPS Trackit, and I think some really cool products and some really cool technology here that I think you guys are really going to enjoy, like, and maybe, just maybe, consider for your lawn and landscaping business. So what I wanted to talk to you guys for just a quick minute today is about some different options with GPS Trackit, and that is telematics and keeping an eye on your trucks, your mowers, your landscaping equipment, and so much more. If you guys don't know, GPS Trackit is a telematics company that helps you track all of your equipment that's out in the field. In fact, we have 2 of their ODB ports now installed, both on this truck and my next truck. Before we're done here, we'll talk pricing, we'll talk how we're going to use the technology, everything that it can offer, and so much more, including a dashboard that they have on their website where you can literally track your equipment real time, which is pretty dope. Let's hop into it here. Let's talk a little bit more about GPS Trackit over the next couple minutes, and by the time we're done, I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts in the comments about what you think about these guys and keeping an eye on your equipment. All right, so I'm sure a lot of you guys are wondering, how does this technology actually work? Let me show you guys this really quick. It is just a computer module, a little ODB port, and this little trapezoidal piece goes right into your truck. Now, of course, they have other tech for other pieces of equipment, but this is all you need to wire up your vehicle. It's pretty cool. Pretty much every modern vehicle these days has an ODB port, so you can just literally plug it in and it syncs right up to your telematics with the GPS Trackit website. Obviously, this module right here is for our new truck, but let me cut to a quick clip of Rob and I in the field where I gave him the module for his truck, the red truck, Thunder. Let's check it out. All right, guys, so a little transition here. We're out in the field. Rob's actually behind here, the camera just helped me film this really quick. So this is the module you guys just saw here a quick second ago back at the house. So the cool thing about the GPS Trackit system is that you can add these things to literally any vehicle out there that has an ODB port. So I'm gonna show you guys how we install this here in just a quick second. Also, it's not just exclusive to vehicles. If you guys have other pieces of machinery or equipment, and anytime those things turn on as well, or of course they travel or move, the software and on the website with your dashboard can see them on, can see where they're moving, and a bunch of other status reports too, like any sudden acceleration or any sudden deceleration or crazy turning. So not like that with you, Rob, right?
No.
So here, if you want to come on this side, Rob, I'll show you. We got a little trapezoidal design. And the ODB port, a lot of you guys know to utilize it for different things. It just goes right in here. I mean, it literally takes 10 seconds to set up, pop it in there, and as soon as the truck turns on, the GPS Trackit unit is going to start relaying all that information to our dashboard. That being said, let's catch up back at my house and I'll show you guys the rest of the program. All right, guys, well, as you can see, it didn't take more than a minute to literally install the ODB ports here on our vehicles, and from there, you're able to actually get real-time updates and information on all of your equipment that is set up with the different GPS tracking systems. It's actually pretty dope. I'll show you guys a quick screen share of my desktop, and you're able to see the different vehicles driving around town, get the traffic patterns. You guys are able to get notifications about if they're accelerating, decelerating, sudden stops, if they're in areas where they're not supposed to be, with geofencing, and so much more. I'll tell you guys what, they have different packages from all different levels, so no matter the size of your business, they can work with you. They have over 12,000 customers here in North America, which is insane. But that being said, you can keep tabs on all of your equipment and know where it's at on a job site. You guys can know if the excavator that you have is actually doing the digging that it needs to be doing. When you take the mow crew out and about, are they actually mowing the lawns and the property that they say that they're at? What about the guys that are just driving around town and maybe they're the maintenance guys or the foreman and he's just got your truck tooling around town? Are you able to keep tabs on him? And what about the big machinery that you got out there around town? How are you able to keep tabs on all of that? As you guys can see here, we're definitely in the kid phase of my life, so I was able to get some pretty fun little analogies here for you guys. How about that? So that being said, not a hard sell on any of this tech. GPS Trackit with their telematics and all the different stuff that they're able to offer with keeping tabs on your equipment, to me, seems like a no-brainer. Let's talk about the plans, the pricing, the website, and how you guys can get in contact with GPS Trackit. Well, like I said earlier, if you guys want to learn a little bit more about GPS Trackit, I'll make sure to leave our links in the description. We do have a sign-up link that you guys can use to learn a little bit more about everything that they have to offer to help get all of your equipment wired up so you guys can start tracking and monitoring all the different pieces of equipment that you have out there in the field. They really do have some great rates for this kind of equipment. The ranges go from anywhere from $10 to $40 a month, depending on the type of equipment that you have out there in the field. So that being said, check out the link in the description with gpstrackit.com and let me know, do you guys use a telematics type service for your business? Hey, if you got anything more than 2 or 3 vehicles out there, you really should. That way you can keep tabs on things. I'll make sure to give you guys a 3-month update and a 6-month update over the next couple weeks and months as we put this technology through the ringer. All right, guys, well, over and out for this video. We look forward to catching up with you guys here on the next one.